It's been a while since I made a video, so I wanted to make one, and I was putting this motor together for a buddy of mine. It's a 89 CR250, doing a complete rebuild. Took it down, Cerakoted the cases, did a lot of work to it, rebuilt all new bearings, so just gonna do a little bit of work to it and see what happens. Alright, we got in a situation here with the Honda cases where we've got, they call them blind bearings. There's no way to drive the bearing through, so it's common in the automotive industry too, but you got to have a puller. So we got one here from Harbor Freight. We're seeing how it works. Spin it in there and give it another go. Burnzo, baby. Cerakote. I guess we're gonna see if it burns off. There you go. I don't know if you can see this. A little hot there. The screw. Let's see, it's kind of dark over here. That screw there rounded off. Didn't want to come out. So we had to drill down. These pieces here came out, and now we're gonna have to go in and get the rest out with an easy out. Not exactly fun, but let's see what I did with my screw extractors, finding them. If I got any that aren't broken. All right, we got lucky. What we got here is a good old-fashioned screw extractor set made in the USA. Been kicking around in my toolbox forever. But looks like they're in good shape. Found one that I think is going to work. I couldn't find the screw to measure it, so I'm just going to wing it. Fits in there pretty good. You got the dimensions on the back here for the screw. Let's see, we're looking at a 7/64 drill bit. I barely read them. Have to raise this up a little bit. Not quite enough there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Smoke that bad boy. These bits are garbage. Scrapsman. No wonder they went out of business. try and get something warranted. Looky, looky, my patience paid off. Not any fun. That's something you want to get into. Right up against the side of the case there. Right there. Hard to see. We got everything all cleaned up, squeaky clean in the parts washer. Cylinder looks great. Pretty much just what you want to see. These Hondas are notorious for their power valves breaking, but everything looked in good shape. Well, we're just going to move over here to the other drill press, and we're going to install a new clutch basket. We got the Performance High Performance something or other. I don't know. It's light, that's for sure. We'll give it a shot. It's supposed to be Pro X, but I don't know. We'll wait and see. I was over at the other drill press and I was drilling out this basket. The basket's all grooved out. I don't know if you can catch the detail on that. It's pretty rough looking. And there's our gear. So we got the billet basket. So See if we can get it back together. But this plate, it's made out of something. I don't know if it's hardest stuff I ever seen, but these holes. Just melted. 3 drill bits. Burn up a carbide cutter trying to deburr the thing. This was a real project. We got the clutch basket all squared away now. If you ever run into this, it's a tight fit right up the middle. You can see the gap where the splines don't match up. But that's the way it is. Tough to get it in there though. This here now we got all new case bearings. Ready to go. Yes, I already got it over here.
You gotta put all this shit back in there?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Are you joking? What's all this?
That's all the rest of the bike.
Oh my god.
Boom, bada, bing! That's what I'm talking about. Getting somewhere now. All right, we got this CR250 looking right now. Let's get a good look at it. Now I don't know if anybody's using these V-Force 3 reeds, but you might want to take a look what's going on inside here, because this is not something that you really want to see. This is pretty much ready to go, but we're going to take a look inside here. Now it's, you can see with and without the light, but you're looking at a pretty big mismatch right there. This side's acceptable, but we're going to do some work in there, get that figured out. All right, we got this thing dialed. Just going to take a quick look at it. Take a look down in the hole. I think we got a runner here.